Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It is a huge pleasure to have you here once again. In this video I will show you how a professional blacksmith forges a damascus billet. It all starts from pieces of two different steels that are cut. The scale is cleaned and the steels alternated to get a final light-dark visual effect. Then the package is thick or while welded on the edges and the handle is added to be grabbed with the tongs. The package is put in the forge. When it is red hot, the flux, usually borax, is added to prevent oxidation. After the package reaches the right temperature, the color is yellow-white and it sparks a little, it is power hammered to be forged welded. Then the process is repeated one or more times to get the damascus pattern that the blacksmith has planned. Cleaning of the scale, cut of the pieces, wire welding of the new package, fluxing and forge welding. That's all I have for you today. I hope you liked the video. If you do, share it with your friends. Please subscribe to support the channel, give a thumbs up and click the bell for notifications. I would also really appreciate if you would like to leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.